If you are a crazy pig design bag lover like me, you're on the right channel. This is a simple video covering 3 bags which I bought and which one will be useful to you. Starting from the smallest, alright, the pig design 5 liter. It's a small bag able to put in a drone or a simple DSLR for a casual walkout. If you are going out with your friends and just want a small package, this bag is for you. The pig design 5 liter sling. If you would like something more, you want to put in a drone and a DSLR along with maybe one lens, the pig design 10 liter sling is for you. You can put in quite a lot of things and there's even extra storage for other stuff like your tripod. If those 2 bags doesn't satisfy you, get the 20 liter haversack. You are able to store a lot more things here and you will be able to give your bag a good distribution of weight. So this is just my quick review on those 3 bags which I've recommended. It varies from user to user and depending on what you put inside, be it a DSLR or mirrorless. So if you like this video, please smash the like button, do give me a thumbs up to thank me for my time and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!